Differentiation and the integration of integrands. Let's see, the first we'll look at differentiation of indefinite integer. Then next we will see differentiation of definite integers. So integrand whose integrands are function of both x and a variable parameter alpha. And we suppose this is the integrable function of x. Then if integration of fx, small fx equal to capital Fx alpha, and you can see the differentiation is equal to this. Now, if we assuming that variable can be changed, and if follows that this expression, then after integration you can see the differentiation can be on the small f function, and it is equal to the big F x alpha differentiation. And these are useful to evaluate the indefinite integer from known integers. However, I think in the definite integer, if the range is infinite, there might be some difficulty happen. So let's see this the first example. And this integer is equal to this, and you can differentiate inside and outside and get this result. And this second example like this. And let's talk about differentiation of definite integer. Okay, suppose you have an integer from a to b, and you can see the a to b is actually equal to this in this expression. And you can see if you integrate according to alpha, and this will be this equation. Also, you can differentiate the integrands like this. So actually expression becomes this. And if the integration limit from a to b do not depend on alpha, then it actually becomes this expression. It becomes this expression. Okay, so these are some example. Example 1, sine alpha x to divided by x integration like this. The second example, third example, and you can see this integration is easily done using this method, although it can be done by the integration by part, by putting x squared to u. Okay, then let's see example 4. Using the differentiation method, you actually can obtain sine x divided by x integrate from 0 to infinity is equal to pi over 2. And I will show you next slide another way people doing it is similar to this. Now let's see if we integration of a definite integer. Okay, and you can see it's in this expression. And they say provide the limit of integration are finite. The order of integration may reverse like this. However, if the range of the integration is infinity, if the limit of the integration is infinity, there might be some difficult. This is not necessarily true. So these are the one of the example. Is the same thing like this. And next slide we will show you this in the internet. Some other people are doing this way. Let's see, there are more example. Example 1, example 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.